Welcome to my channel. It's Diyas Pro here. Summer juices. One cup freshly squeezed lemon juice, about 4 to 6 lemons, half cup granulated sugar, adjust to taste, 4 cup cold water, ice cubes, lemon slices for garnish, fresh mint leaves for garnish. It's optional. Mix them well and enjoy the lemon juice. Have some crushed ice, 1 chopped chili, 1 inch chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1/4 tablespoon salt, 2 tablespoon lemon juice. Take some lemon slice, 1 slit chili for garnishing. Add some chilled water. Mix them well and enjoy the lemon punch. Enjoy watermelon juice. Take 4 cups of cubed watermelon, seeds removed, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. It's optional for the added tanginess. Ice cubes, it's optional. Mint leaves or lime slices for garnish. It is also optional. Enjoy the second watermelon summer drink. 1 cup of watermelon. Add some chilled water in it. Blend it. Take some watermelon in other glass. 2 tablespoon of lemon juice, add it and crush it. Now add some crushed ice, some slices for garnishing, some pepper powder, 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper, and add watermelon juice. Enjoy watermelon. Now enjoy the mango juice. 2 ripe mangoes, peeled and diced, about 2 cups, 1 to 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar or honey. It's optional depending on the sweetness of the mangoes. Add some 1 cup of cold water, ice cubes, which is also optional, fresh mint leaves or lime slices for garnish, and mix them well and enjoy the mango juice. The second recipe is mango lemonade recipe. Take some mangoes, blend them well, strain it. Take 2 or 3 tablespoons of honey, add some hot water in it, mix it well. Add 2 pitchers with mango juice, lemon juice and water. Mix them well. Add some ice cubes and enjoy the cold drink of mango lemonade. Enjoy summer drink of cucumber juice. Take 2 large cucumbers, washed and chopped. 1 to 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, optional for added tanginess. 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey or sugar, optional to sweetness. 1 cup of cold water. Take some ice cube, it's also optional. Have some fresh mint leaves or cucumber slices for garnish. Blend them well and enjoy. Another recipe of cool cucumber. It's a summer drink and very nice in taste. Take half cup of cucumber. Take some mint leaves. Add chilled water. Blend it. Have some crushed ice. Add cumin powder 1/4 tablespoon. Add black salt 1/4 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of sugar added. 2 tablespoon of lemon juice. Sabja 2 tablespoon. And add cucumber juice in it. And enjoy the cool cucumber. Pineapple juice is very delicious. 1 ripe pineapple is needed. Have some water, optional for dilution, and take some ice cubes. It's also optional according to your taste. Blend it and enjoy. Thank you for watching our channel. Don't forget like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon.